In this video, we're going to talk about how to fill out your small business tax extension for Form 7004 right here. We're going to fill it out together. I'm going to take you from A to Z in filling it out and getting it in the mail correctly. But before we do, if this is your first time at our channel or you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button at the bottom. My name is Travis Sickle, Certified Financial Planner, helping you reach your financial goals. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put it up on the screen. All the links are in the description at the bottom. So here we go. So just go to Google and type in IRS 7004 and it should come right up. And if we click on that first link right there, about Form 7004, you're gonna see Form 7004 and the instructions. We're gonna need both, and you're gonna see why in just a minute. So let's go ahead and click on that and pull it up. I already have it open right here. This is Form 7004 for your S corporation. So if you file an 1120S, then this is the extension form to get the automatic extension. Now, it's not really automatic. You have to fill this out and send it into the IRS before the tax filing deadline to get the extension. So let's go ahead and fill it out. At the very beginning, the name is the name of your business. So for my business, or one of my business, it's Sickle. I'm going to put in Sickle Hunter Financial Advisors. So it's one of our businesses that is an S corporation. Then we're going to go ahead and put the address and then your city, state, and zip. And don't forget your EIN. So it's the 2 digits dash and the additional 7 digits right after that. That is your EIN. That is the identifying number. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, you're going to have 2 check boxes or 2 boxes right here on part 1, line 1. Now, for this, it's the 1120S, which is right here, Form 1120S, and that's number 25. So we're going to put a 2 and a 5, and that's all you need to put right there, 25. We're going to scroll down. We're going to skip 2, 3, and 4. We're going to go right to 5. And this is a normal filing for most people is going to be on an annual basis. So the application is for calendar year 2020. So that's your taxes for 2020. So we're going to put that in there. And then we are going to put in zeros because we don't actually pay any taxes with the S corporation. That flows through on the K1 to your personal taxes. So 000. And that is it on filling out the form. But step 2 is even more important than just filling this out. So this is how you want to fill it out. Now we have to mail it. And I want you to get that right to make sure that the IRS does receive it. So this is going to be a paper version. So if you're printing this out and you're going to mail this in, you can do this electronically, but we're going to do the paper version to mail it in. And that's why we're going to need the instructions. So let's go ahead and pull up the instructions really quickly and scroll to the very bottom. And this is where you're going to mail it. Now we want to find the 1120S. And if you're looking around here, you're going to see a lot of 1120s, but we want to make sure that we're looking for the one that's 1120S. So the 1120S is, where is the 1120S? Let's find it. It's got to be here somewhere. There it is. 1120S right there. Now there's going to be different locations depending on how much revenue that you're doing and where you're located. So I'm in the state of Florida. So let me go ahead and zoom in here really quickly. And for Florida, I am right there. So Florida, we're going to send it to the Department of the Treasury IRS Service Center, Ogden, Utah, 842010045. Right there. That is where you're going to mail it, but that is not all. Here's my advice to make sure that the IRS documents and has this extension because they do lose things from time to time. It's happened to me and you want proof that you mailed it. So here's what you want to do when you go to the post office. You want to send it certified mail and it's going to look just like this. And you're going to want to go ahead and fill it out. And you're going to go ahead and put the address right there at the bottom. So it's going to be the Department of the Treasury IRS Service Center, and that's going to be Ogden, Utah. So that's what you're going to put on this little green sheet right here. And here's what it looks like because I just did mine. And you're going to get this little stamp right there. And here we go. We got the stamp right there. It's been sent. And you're also going to get the receipt. So keep both of them. These are for your records. Now, after you get this, we can prove in just a few days from now whether or not they received it. And this is how we're going to do it. So let's go, and we're going to go find the USPS tracking. Go to their website, click on tools, and then you can put in these digits. And I'm going to take an old one that I have so I can show you exactly what it's going to look like. And we can show you that they actually did receive it. So I have one here from last year's extension, because that's what I usually file. And we're going to put it in, or I'm going to put in, now the digits are going to be right there at the very top of your green sheet. So I have a little sticky note of when I sent it or when they received it. But you can see right there at the very top, you're going to put those digits right into the tracking. And it's very important that you keep this for your records. If they lose it, the IRS should and usually does accept this receipt to prove that you actually did send it. And then you're going to want to just give them a copy of the form that we just filled out. So you also want to keep a copy of it. Take a scanned copy and put it away for your records. So if they did lose it, you have the proof, you can send it in again, and it'll be as if they got it on time. So you can see right here, it says delivered, and that is the proof. This is what you want to look at, and this is how you want to send it. Form 7004 for the extension. If you have any questions or comments on how to fill it out or send it in, let me know in the comments down below. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave your comments down at the bottom.